How to fix Instagram login error easily and fast. Hello guys. So first thing, you have to open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. As you can see on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So you have to click on Instagram like this. Click on the first stop option here in the top and then click on the notifications. Make sure to enable all the notifications and then go back again. Click on the permissions and do the same thing. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled. Now go back again, click on the data usage and make sure to enable all the options right here from the mobile data into the Wi-Fi. Now, one last thing you want to do is go to the storage, click on clear cache and clear data, click delete and restart your phone, reopen Instagram, and the problem must be solved. If it's not solved yet, then you have to uninstall Instagram and reinstall it again. Don't forget to like, subscribe.